All right, graph x equals t, where also y equals t squared over 4. This is called a parametric equation. And what you do with parametric equations is it tells you what x is, it tells you what y is. So let's pick a bunch of t's and plug them in and see what it looks like in the end. So I'm going to make a table like so. I'm going to pick a bunch of t's, get a bunch of x's and a bunch of y's, and that's going to give me points to graph. I'm going to use -4 and then work my way up. So -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Why I chose those numbers, I don't know. But I guess we'll see if it works out. If x is t, then that makes this left side pretty easy. X is t means x is -4, x is -3, x is -2, x is -1. You get the idea. You get the idea. Okay. Here the math is a little bit more complicated, but it's nothing to lose sleep over. T is -4. -4 squared is 16. Positive 16. 16 over 4 is positive 4. Okay, not bad. -3 squared is positive 9. 9 divided by 4 is 9/4, but if I'm going to graph that, I kind of want to view that as 2.25. Okay, -2 squared is 4. 4 over 4 is 1. -1 squared is 1. 1 over 4 is 1/4, so I'm going to view that as 0.25, especially since I'm going to graph it. 0 squared is 0. 0 divided by 4 is 0. 1 squared is 1. 1 over 4 is 0.25 again. 1, I already did that. 2 squared is 4. 4 over 4 is 1 again. 3 squared is 9. 9 over 4 is 2.25 again. 4 squared is a fun game, is 16. 16 over 4 is 4 again. And we see some parabola-y looking stuff. So let's graph things and label what we did as we graph them. Let's use a different color. Let's use purple. All right, here's my points. Here are my XY values. So you're dead to me now. So one of my points is -4, +4, and that happened when t equaled -4. Another one of my points is -3, 2.25. So -3, 2.25. So we'll sneak that there, and that happened when t was -3. Another point was -2, 1. Right here, and that happened when t was -2. Another point was -1/4, right there. That happened when t was -1. 0, 0, that happened when t was 0. 1/4 happened when t was 1. 2, 1 happened when t was 2. 3, 2.25 happened when t was 3. And last but not least, 4, 4 happened when t was 4. So here's my parabola. There it is. That looks awful. That looks better. So let's clean that up. All right. Let me see if it lets me do it. Now, the thing with parametric functions, getting ahead of myself, this is parabolic, so I didn't technically say anything wrong, is we also care about the direction from least to greatest. So we're going to put little arrows saying that this guy went that way as t got larger. Yeah. So there you go. Look at that. Look at that. Cute. Fun. Parametric equations.